don't like doing intros. I don't like doing intros. So we're just gonna come back with our new sleep. Okay, come on. Did you pause it? After years, I've been telling you guys I'm coming back with my new PC. After years, finally, I've decided to commit. All right, so we got all our parts here. Don't mind the mess. We got all our parts here, and yeah, we're gonna watch the video. Okay. Now, I've been taking this very seriously. You see how ready I am. I'm ready. I'm ready for this. I was born ready. Okay. Now we're gonna start with the with the power supply, right? Power supply. We're gonna nervous if you can't tell. The power supply, yeah. Yeah. The power supply, yeah. Oh, what? Oh. We got the Radeon RX 6600 with 8 gigabyte 8 gigabyte memory, 4.0 PCIe. It was about like what? It was, how much I get this for? It was what, 120? I can't, 120 I think. Let's just go with that. Hyper Black 212, you know, Cool Master. I wanted to go with the stock, but you know, stocks are, you know, they're not that good. Okay, we got the Ryzen, AMD Ryzen 5600, $70. I got this off for a deal. Now, obviously, Amazon said it was gonna come here like the 27th. I don't got that type of patience. I wanted this built because again, I have a potato PC. So the case is the Cool Q something. If you know this case, you got all these, you got all this. You know, I'll put it down right somewhere. You'll see it. The motherboard. I'm just praying this thing doesn't just slip out the box and crush my dreams. But here we go. We got the B55M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi. Got the Wi-Fi version. A lot has gone into building this case. Partpicker.com. Thank you for saving me. Because I would not love to do this all over again. For RAM, we got the Vengeance LPX 2 times 16 gigabytes. No, 2 times 8 gigabytes. All right. And for memory, the SSD, we're going with the WD Blue SM5000. Pick this out because it said 5,000, so let's just hope it's good. All right, I know it's good. It's 1 terabyte. So if this doesn't work out, just know I'm crying inside, and and $800 is down the drain. So let's let's keep going. Let's go. All right, now since I'm godly afraid of doing this part, I'm gonna let my brother install the CPU, which you know. Takes surgeons to do this, right? All right, go ahead.
That was good, yeah. Just
Derek, this is my lifeline, Derek.
Yeah, guys.
It's my lifeline, Derek.
Just start off by make sure you don't bend the pins. You open the lever, place it.
You got the diamond, the star, the triangle.
Yeah, find it.
Right, this is one right here. The little triangle. See it? Careful, steady hands, please.
I've done this before.
Yeah?
Yeah.
When?
With the other CPU.
Okay, is it in good? Hold on.
You have thermal paste, right?
I saw it somewhere. Okay, hold on. I gotta. Okay.
Get this in. And pull down the lever.
Oh my God!
And that's it.
Oh, is your heart beating?
That's so cool. I've done this before.
All right. Next step. If I'm going to my phone, I'm looking through my notes. We're first time builder, okay? Because I don't know what I'm doing, but if you don't know what you're doing either, we're in the same boat. But by the way, don't use this video as like a tutorial, please, please, because I might do some things, and don't cook me in the comment sections. But yeah. Stuck. Okay, record my face. Just listen. Oh my goodness. CPU cooler. Now, I heard this was good back in like what? I don't know. I heard this was like the OG one where people go to, but I know there's better ones out there, but this is the first build. This is gonna be the basis of what we're starting. Yes, I see it. Okay, I see it. I'm already 10 steps ahead of you. Okay, I'm gonna peel this off because I remember seeing it like on TikTok, RP TikTok. I remember seeing TikTok. They had like someone left this on and then applied thermal paste on top of it, and it just the computer just went 90s. So okay, look at that copper. Fine copper. You know this copper? Yeah. It's so clean. I don't want to touch it. Okay, should I do an X or what? A line? Should I do this? To make an X? I think I'm gonna do an X. Right? X is. Oh my god. How much though? Do I use the whole tube? No.
Just a little bit. Make sure it doesn't have to flow.
Huh?
Make sure it doesn't have to flow. Or
Over.
Okay. It's gonna happen here.
Let's okay. So
Wait. So it's
like that.
It's a little weird.
Do I need more? This is fine?
It's really a scary one, huh?
Is this okay?
No.
No? Is there a correct way to do this?
Just don't go too close to the edges or both of them.
So sticky. Oh my goodness. Oh. What is this?
I just stopped.
Give a paper towel. Alright. Oh my god, can I make a simple X? Okay. Boom. We did it. Go look at that. Perfect X. Let me know. Perfect. Zoom in. Voila. Okay. Not doing that again. Alright. Now. Oh, where's that manual? So, alright. Applying the CPU cooler. Took us an hour to do this, but here we are. Okay. You're just gonna. Does it matter? No, I don't think it matters. Oh my goodness. Wait. Alright. Installing the CPU cooler. I don't know if it's tight. Oh my goodness. Alright. Next. We got the RAM. Oh, sorry. We got the RAM. The CPU RAM. How do you pull Thank you for vent. No, I'm joking. Let's do a sponsor. We don't get sponsors on this channel. We pay this out of our pockets. But if you like to sponsor me, anyway. Okay, now. No, Mom will let you do it. Actually, no. Okay, never mind. I'll let you do.
What are you trying to say?
Listen, this part. If this part goes wrong, I'm done. Hold on.
I thought it wrong.
Huh?
That's it.
Wait, where's that middle part? Okay, just touch this. Thank you. One second. Is there like a manual how to do this? No? Okay. Okay. I gotta push it down though. Why is it not locking? Oh. That's good. Okay. Right? Okay.
That's the only one that you need on that?
No, I need two. Where's the other one?
Did you give it to him?
Okay. Take it off.
Where's the other one?
This is two.
You only need two?
Yeah. I recommended. Yeah, this is more than enough. Is it open? Is it open? Okay. Okay, that did not feel good. Now, if you did this, I will start crying. Install the SSD. I'll let you do this one.
What's SSD?
I'm glad you asked.
Why?
I'm glad you asked. Okay, this is the M.2, right? Okay, you know what? I'm not picking up. I'm gonna assume this is it right here. Inserts at a 30-degree angle. Wait, what do you have in math? What's your grade in math?
83.
You don't sound too confident. You know,
Because the last time I checked, it was an 83.
do you do angles in math?
I don't like that teacher.
You know all this is going on in the video,
I think
right?
so. I don't care. She can see it. Miss Sweetword.
Stop.
You're the best.
Stop it. Stop
Tell
it.
it this
Derek,
way.
don't do it.
I love your class. I want to take it for the rest of the summer.
Stop it. Not doing that. What? Hold on. I'm actually panicking. Hold on. There, something fell.
What?
He dropped there.
Oh, I see it.
You get it.
No. Touch the metal part. What's this?
What does that do with anything?
It prevents shock. That's what Google said.
Let me put it in.
Actually, I don't know if you can do this. Not that I'm... You know, I'll let you do it. Okay, you see, you have to... Come on, you have to do this. You have to connect this part into here. But like at an angle, okay?
Which angle?
Like
Right angle?
30 degrees, I guess. I don't know. There, this might be... I don't like doing this. I don't even know what... Okay, like that. You see what I just did? Now you do it. 30 degrees. But don't force it, please. Don't force it. Don't force it. Ah!
You saw. I didn't even put it.
Don't force it in. Just very gently. No, just at an angle. Like. There we go. Oh my god, there we go. There we go.
Why you pushing?
There
I
we
didn't even
go.
do nothing.
You did great. You did great. Clap it up for her. Okay. Here we go. Get in there. It's not going in. Ah. Oh my gosh, I wish I had like a magnetic.
Let me do it.
Wait, hold it down. Touch the metal thing. Okay, now just hold this down so I can screw it.
How does this two connect?
Listen, I don't know. YouTube said just to do it. All right, hold it down. Hold it down.
I'm holding it.
No, hold this. No, put that down. Just put your finger like this. Don't move.
Sorry.
Jesus.
It's fine.
You know you hurt my hand.
It's fine. Her hand took most of the force. This thing's not going in.
I think you don't know how to screw.
I'm obviously screwing. It's not going in. Is this the right one? Oh my gosh, it's not the right one. I think. Gotta peel the heat sink off.
You want me to hold this?
You don't got to right now.
This thing is not even on.
Still, let's not be risky. Let us not be risky. I hope I'm doing this right. I'm just guessing at this point.
I can tell.
Okay.
Can you explain that?
This one. It says that we have to connect the radiator to the flux capacitor. You see right here, and then you have to support it right here with the Andre 3000. All right, so you can cut that right there. All right, 3 hours in. Time for the motherboard. Energies are low, anxieties are high, and yeah. All right. Something like this. How beautiful that looks. Okay. All right. All right. Now I'm gonna screw these in. See you in a bit. All right. Finally. This is not easy. Finally got the motherboard in with all its glory. Now, the PSU. All right. I already got this part attached, so I'm gonna should have done this first. It's too late. It holds. It's holding. Okay. And I gotta put this together. Look at this. I was worried about it fitting. Okay. Together. We'll go on from there. Oh my goodness. No, not like this. And I just wanna have the feeling of just turning this on. What would you say, the blue screen of death?
Yeah.
Oh my god, please no. God no. Review gets. Oh. Now we gotta connect the pins. The power for the power supply. We gotta connect all these. Look at all this. This is another YouTube video. No, I gotta watch it. Okay, let me get
Let me find a tutorial and I'll show you the end process. And then I guess cable management? I don't know. All right. See you in the next. All right. I skipped to the ending because I like endings better. Okay. Like I said, this is not a tutorial. I just want to build this computer. Okay. So let me know how it looks. It's nice. It has no RGB, so I guess my performance will be a little bit lower. But the cable management, you know, a little something a little simple. But next, we're gonna see if it boots up. I'm scared. I am frightened. Okay, because I don't know what anything could be wrong at this point. First build, $800 down the drain. We'll see. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you there. All right. Moment of truth. Let me. Did I turn it? Let me. Moment of truth. Just get it over with. Let's get it over with. Is it on? Okay, moment of truth. Flick it on the power supply. Now. Okay. Now let me explain what's about to happen. What should happen. This monitor should turn on. We should see something. If it doesn't, we're gonna have a funeral right now. And not for the computer, for me. 1, 2. Wait, so how long do I press? Do I just press and let go?
I think you press it.
I see a light. Come on. Does it take this long? Come on. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm trying not to smile. I smile ugly, okay? Oh my god. It works. I was gonna do something cringe. But nah, seriously though. This is not for the weak. Not gonna lie. I was so afraid of like, what if it shocks? What if static? Because you know, you're wearing some fuzzy socks, like Jesus. Like I was like, oh, it's on. It's on. It's on. It's on. It's on. Okay. Now I'm gonna set it up. Oh my god. No. Oh no 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 no. Oh, she had sunny shoes. She had no. No, Marlo, we might have to kick you out. Not funny. No fun. Yeah, just go. Yeah. All right, though. It turned on. I'm excited. I'm gonna set things up real quick. See, look at her. No. Oh. Okay. As I was saying, I'm gonna set things in. I'm gonna set things up. I'm gonna put in Windows 10. Now, if you're wondering what the potato PC is this monstrosity. I might beat it with a baseball bat. Y'all let me know what you want me. Oh my goodness. Y'all let me know what you want. Don't be shy. Okay. Y'all let me know what you want me to do with this. I might sell it. Alright. You want this? You want this computer?
No.
I'm telling you, this piece, this computer, this right here, I might bury it. I don't know. Y'all let me know. And I'll see you guys in a little bit once everything's all set up.
Hi, welcome. And if y'all didn't guess already, I edited this entire video on the new gaming system. I'm telling you, the things I did on this, I could not do on the other app, on the other computer. Oh, when I say I'm feeling such a relief, I might just cry. I might just cry. And guess what? It doesn't take me 8 hours to render a whole 30-minute video. This video took like 15 minutes. Maybe, I think even less. I don't even know. I just blinked, opened my eyes. Oh no, the video is ready. Oh great. Now, be expecting, I don't know where I'm posting this video, but be expecting new content on my gaming channel. The doors have just opened. Doors have just opened up. There's just possibilities endless. There's already one game that I'm planning on lining up right now. Be ready to check that out. And I feel like I just leveled up. You know, it's important to grow, right? I gotta grow. And this old computer, the one I was using before this, has really been holding me back. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm not gonna shit on it. This is the computer that started this, that got me where I am right now. So even though it's dirt rock, I still appreciate it. Anyway, out with the old and with the new. Now, let me know what you guys think. I got something big planning out that's going to last 13 months, which I will reveal. I'll reveal in the future. 13 months. That's doing something a little fun. But I'm gonna put this computer in the grinder. I'm joking. I'm gonna take really good care of it, but I'm going to really take some hint up, like ooh. You know, the things are gonna do to you. Pause. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. It starts now. See you guys next time. Take care. Peace.